Hi friends, welcome to my channel. I am Prathik and today we are going to learn about support and resistance in live market. So these are the questions. What is support line? What is resistance line? How to identify support and resistance levels? So these are the some kind of questions generally we get in our mind. So let's know what is a support line. So basically a support line is a line where bullish market or the market goes uptrend. Okay, and the resistance line is a line where the market is going to fall or it's a bear trend. Okay, and now we are going to learn how to identify support and resistance levels. So basically if you see, I'm now showing you the back nifty chart. Let's go to 15 minutes time frame, and here you can see. So this is the support line where the market gone to uptrend, and it is here is a resistance level where it market down slightly somewhat. Okay, every day we can see this in live market, or else I will show you in live where Bitcoin it's trending. I mean it's going in live only, right? 24/7 it will be available for us. So some of the lines I have drawn here. Please check this. So it is the support level, the green one, and it is the resistance level. As you can observe here, the market is coming down from here onwards. It's the resistance level, and again it record here, record, and again it went to resistance, touch with the resistance level and support level, resistance level, support. It's going on, and it became a range bound, and it's trading in this range, 17,047 to 16,547 till here. So this is what the support and resistance line. Now let's see how to draw the support and resistance line in live market. Okay, so any time frame. Let's see. Let's draw the support and resistance in 5 minutes time frame. Mm, as you can see here. Okay, support line continuously. I mean the market took support here once and again here and back also. You can see here the line. Let's draw it first of all. Take a line and mark it here. So as you can see here, many times it took 1, 2, 3, and fake here also 4 and gone and down. So it is the support line. Let's mark it as a green, and resistance line. Now let's draw the resistance line. You can see here recent ones, 5 minutes time frame. Let's mark it as red. As you can see here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is the basically we draw support and resistance lines like this. And you people, some people have doubt that it's gone out of here, right? So in this, I mean this kind of situations we generally use rectangle to draw like this. After this range break only, we do trade generally. It's a safe trade. It's considered as a safe trade. Okay, coming here to the support, same. It goes the vice versa. See, let's extend this up to here. Next, how to identify the next targets. Okay, so the next target for the breakout is recent ones, previous ones. Here from here onwards, it took the support, right? So it is the next support level. Actually, we sell here, not put. I mean, we generally keep put calls or sell. We do orders here. Okay, once the candle is finished after 26 seconds or 25 seconds. Next we keep selling on here because it's break the resist. I mean support level, right? So our first target will be this one, and next target will be this one, and third target T1, T2, T3, right? And this one. It's enough. Okay. So these are the support and resistance lines and how to draw. I showed you how to draw it, how to identify it, how to keep targets. like this, or else let's do a paper trade here. Wait, let me show you. Create new order, and we are selling here. We are selling here in the live market. So it's a paper trade, right? As you can see here, have done, it's positive. Let's keep stop loss near to this support level. Okay, stop loss, I'm keeping stop loss in the support level. Modify, and target price will be our this one, first target. It's safe. So let's see this. Let's wait for the result. Okay, if even it hits the stop loss, it will be minor. hmm? Let's check the market where it goes. Or else we can draw here the short position line, long not. So this is the line.